And then watch what happens when you set this one down. Every time. Every time. It's a baby bird. It's a fledgling. And tell me what kind of dog it is.
Pimple.
A pimple dog. If you're ever curious what it's really like around here, video clips are just kind of like snapshots. This is what it's really like. You've got this one who's whiny because we are not doing things exactly the way you want. And then watch what happens when you set this one down. Every time. Every time. And he is too heavy to carry everywhere. This is what life is really like. Isn't that right? Yeah.
But I can go all the time.
You what? Yeah. But yeah, if I'm not holding him, this happens. And he follows you around crying all day. Like seriously, all day. There's a reason I'm so tired. You hear about these laid back, mellow children? Yeah, those are not my children. This is my child. And those happy videos we post, those are just happy snapshots. This is what the rest of the time is like. Alright, I'll hold you. It's a baby bird. It's a fledgling. It's in our bush. A fledgling is a bird who is learning how to fly, but is not very good at flying yet. And that looks like a fledgling sparrow. And you said you saw the mommy feed it already?
Yeah.
Aw. So we're gonna let the little guy be. We don't have any cats outside to worry about.
Yeah.
So the safest place and best place is right there.
Mommy, I think it was from
He's so cute.
Mommy, since it's in our yard, it's our pet little baby boy.
Our little baby bird.
Yeah.
He looks pretty healthy.
It's our pet chick.
Mom and Dad bird are doing a good job taking care of it. Oh, it opened its mouth.
It eats leaves.
Oh, it's gonna stretch its little feathers.
Oh, that's so cute.
This is the time of year for fledglings.
Oh, I really want to pet it.
And the best thing for fledglings is to just leave them alone. Mom and Dad have got it under control. And keep pets away and keep kids away. And let him
Hey.
go. That's true.
Why?
Well, because he'll be just fine on his own. So we've been watching this baby sparrow, and we've seen the dad come and feed it a couple times.
Yeah.
But I haven't been quick enough with the camera, have I?
No. Yeah.
No.
So she's just staying here until the dad
Maybe.
comes.
Let's see. It's very cute. The dad's taking good care of it.
Yeah.
Cool baby. My baby's tired.
I saw the dad.
Okay, wait, there it is, there it is. We're seeing it.
You're doing it.
We're watching the baby. Oh, the leaves are in the way. The leaves are in the way. Wait, maybe there. Oh, there we go, there we go. Good job, Daddy. Good job, Daddy bird.
So cute.
The leaves are in the way. Oh, there we go. Good job, Daddy bird. That leaf is still in the way. Can we go this way? Oh, there we go.
It's so Look how cool it is.
And this is why you leave the birds alone, because the parents are still taking care of them. See, look how good that daddy's taking care.
I saw the mom.
I'm not taking very good care of my baby, am I?
Yeah. You're not taking very good at your baby boy.
Okay, so my baby boy, I tried to get him to sleep, but he wouldn't go to sleep. Not my fault.
It's your baby boy.
Okay, my baby bird is not sleeping. Oh, there goes the dad.
He took a back.
Oh, look at these baby birds. Aw, I guess I'm gonna have to puke in their mouths to feed them. Blech. Ew, that's disgusting.
No, mom. No, mom.
Their nest. A baby bird.
Mommy, you're a mommy boy.
Oh, this baby bird's flying from the nest.
So, mommy, so you have to make so you make the food that we eat.
I do make the food that you eat. I'm pretty sure I do. Okay, baby birds, let's fly into the bathroom and brush our teeth for bed. Come on. I see that. Let's go fly in the bathroom and brush our teeth. Let's go fly, brush our teeth. And tell me what kind of dog it is.
Pimple.
A pimple dog. You're so cute. And what type? I'm called Woof Woof. Okay, so what's your dog? A German Shepherd. And what have you got? Meow meow. Yeah.
What kind of cat is it?
Hold your dog up one more time, Avery. It is actually called a bulldog, but I thought it was so cute that you said pimple. I had to vlog it. It was super cute.
It's a pit bull.
A bulldog. Okay, we gotta go. Come on, dance. No, no. Come on, dance. You're doing good. Good job, Bryson. Yeah. Frodo. That was good dancing.
Dance, dance.
Come on, Bryson. Do, 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 do. Brent, dance. Oh. That's just silly.
Go, go, horses, go, go, horses,
Daxton, what's the
Let's have it make him go off.
You talking?
No.
Yeah. Who are you talking to? Last time you guys played with my phone, you called Grandma. They did.
Go, horses, go, go.
Oh. Just good talking.